Hello, my name is Alan Herrera, and I'm going to be working through the classic FizzBuzz problem with test-driven development. And so my requirements here are that I'm going to be taking in a positive number, and if that number is divisible by 3, I'm going to return fizz as a string, and if the number is divisible by 5, I'll return buzz as a string, and if the number is divisible by 3 and 5, I'll return FizzBuzz as a string. Else I'll return the number itself. So let's start with getting our unit tests going. And let's give this a good name, a clear name. When number is 1, return 1. I'm gonna delete that line and assert equals autocomplete here. The string 1 is going to be equal to FizzBuzz get result 1. So I haven't made a method yet, but I'm going to use the IDE here to create our method. Return type will be string, and instead of I, let's use number. Let's get rid of this line and return as a string the number 1. Tab back, run this test. Yes, it works. So our next test will be for the number 3. Let us return fizz. Oh, we should test that. Did I save? Oh, I didn't update this. Problem with going a little too fast and copy pasting. Okay, small steps at a time. So let's put the logic here. If number is equal to 3, let's return fizz. Else, let's return 1. Passes? Yep. Let's go with 5 here. When the number is 5, we're expecting buzz. You see it fails. But we'll fix that. We pass our test. Let's get our first test case for 15 going. That's when we expect FizzBuzz. Oh. Little error there. And run that. We got a fail. And passes. So let's format the code a little bit. Control Shift F there to get the right format. This one's good. So let's get our first multiple case. When test number is multiple of 3, and we're going to put in 6 in there, test that, fails. Let's go fix this by putting mod language. Still fails. When number is 15, return FizzBuzz, but was fizz. Well, slight error in logic. 15 mod 3 is still 0, so it return fizz. So here we're gonna want and number mod 5 not equal 0. And we're gonna have to add this down here, or else we're still gonna fail. And so tab back over, let's get our multiple case for 5. We'll be passing in 10 there. And we fail. Oh, I'm gonna test again. We just have to put a little mod language here. Pass. Get our multiples of 15. See, that fails. And see, that passes. One last requirement. We have a bunch of 1s returning. So we're going to want to check, let's just use 7. Run that. Fails. We just have to pass back the number. And there we go. Check formatting code, Control Shift F. It's good. So let's iterate through 1 through 100. For int I equals 0, I less than equal to 100, I plus plus. We're going to want to system dot out dot println get result auto completing here. Speed, and here we go. This is FizzBuzz, but we can fix some logic right here. This could be clear too. Control X, cut that out. And that way we can make this look a little cleaner. Control that, format, save, run the test, still working. And trying to come over and get rid of some duplicate tests, redundant ones like checking for 3 if we're already checking for multiples like 6, and checking 5, checking 15. Still pass all our tests, and I believe we're good to go. That's it.